Ryan Knights here, Extreme Vision Review. I got a few things I want to talk about. One, I was on Drone Worship last night live. If you want to check out the video, there was quite a few of us on there. Captain was on there. So if you want to check it out. I mean, we talked about a lot of stuff. I was trying to get my videos up, or my subscribers, and talked about the giveaway and everything else going on. So if you want to check out that video, check out Drone Worship on YouTube. And it was last night, on the 19th. So this come in today, and it's a little pocket drone. Here's the controllers, and you see the difference, and the sticks come off and actually get put in here, so that way you can keep it in your pocket or whatever. And this little thing, it folds out like that, and then you twist it and it sits down. Well, it's got a problem. It'll start up, but it won't take off. First thing I thought of was it's got to be a blade problem or a propeller problem. Well, I checked the propellers. All the propellers are on right. Made sure there's no cracks or chips. Everything's fine. So I don't know exactly why it's not taken off yet. But it does have a good camera on it. It lights up like this right here. So we'll see if I can get that thing fixed, and we'll go from there. Also, I can get it up here. I got me a backpack. And a buddy of mine, he sent it to me. Of course, it zips up, and looky there. Now, this was supposed to be for a Phantom, is what they call it for, but this one and the SEMA X8 will also fit in it. So if you're wondering if any of the other backpacks, will fit other copters, yes. If you got one that's about the same size as a Phantom 4 or Phantom 3, they will fit. They're pretty much the same size. So it will work. And the controller fits in. I mean, everything fits in like it should. Also, how I had the drone stuck in a tree? It's been there for, what, 3 weeks now, and the weather, rain, the whole works. Well, that's the drone that was in the tree. Guess what? It still works. I was actually in a lot of shock. I couldn't believe that. I was expecting it not to work at all. I took the battery out, checked it out, made sure there was no water or anything in it. It worked fine. I mean, I couldn't believe it. But yeah, this thing is pretty dang nifty. And it's got padding right back here for your back, so it's not hard, and it's really actually very light. I mean, look at that. Look at the shine on that thing. Ooh, it's pretty. But yeah, so I'm gonna start using that, and I also got the vest too. So like if I go somewhere, I'll carry the backpack and carry all my stuff in it, and then like if I go to a function, I'll use the vest to do my walk around instead of carrying the backpack, because that way I can put everything together and be ready just to unsnap it and go with the vest. With the backpack, you got to take everything apart and to put it in, so you don't want to carry it around. So I'll bring the backpack just for like a base station, and then it'll carry my blades or whatnot, and then I'll set everything up, put it in my vest, and then I'll do my walk arounds and go from there. I also got another one of these in, except for this one's black with red insert instead of red with black insert. and this one right here is full. So I had to get a new one, and I figured I'd get opposite colors. That's pretty cool. I like these things. These things are waterproof. They're crush proof. I mean, they're very good investments. They're less than $6. I definitely highly recommend getting, if you're wanting something to carry your SD cards in, especially if you're flying multiple drones. I don't like using the same card on multiple drones unless I'm doing a comparison. Then I'll do that, but most of my drones I use different SD cards that I have for each drone, so that way I know what I'm looking at. Instead of using one card, then go back and you're like, okay, which one is which? Instead of doing that, I put each one in a set, so I know exactly which copter or drone it come out of. So I'm gonna check this little thing out and try to get it up and going. I mean, it's pretty cool. I mean, it's set up like a control panel, and then of course that's the remote, and all these buttons do something. I mean, I haven't really looked at the instructions yet, so I'm not 100% sure about it. Like the guy said, he couldn't figure out why it wouldn't go up. He said it could be operator error, it could be something simple, but he wasn't sure. He just didn't want to mess with it. So I'm going to try, see if I can get it fixed and go from there. Then of course you see I still got that one too. So now I got two Promark GPSs. Figure I'm going to keep one around just in case something else happens. You never know. I do wish the 506 would fit in the backpack too, but of course it's odd shaped, so it won't fit in there like the SEMA X8 and the Promark does. Next thing I'll probably end up getting is a case for my E85. They make one that's a hard case. It's waterproof. This one's supposed to be waterproof as well. So, I'm not going to try it, but if it starts raining, you're outside, and it starts raining all of a sudden, you shouldn't have nothing to worry about. Just try to get in as soon as possible. You don't want to leave it out there to find out, But I will tell you this much, at least I know these Promark GPSs will hold up through weather. I mean, it's held up. It was out there stuck in a tree for 3 weeks. It's held up to 50-mile-an-hour winds that we've had. It's held up to rain. I mean, the whole works. It's been out in the weather for that long. And it's perfectly fine. I mean, I was expecting it not to be functional at all. So for it to actually work, that's awesome. I'm ecstatic. So Promark, y'all got A+ on that one. Now that's one of the ones I would say you want to dunk in a pool, find out. Rain's a little bit different than actually drowning it in water. So hopefully it stays working, and I'm just excited I got it back finally. Did break a propeller, which that ain't nothing. It broke 2 blade guards. Okay, I'm not really sweating all that because that's something that can be replaced easy. But definitely go to Drone Worship's page or YouTube page and check out the video last night. There was a lot of informative stuff going on. Captain actually ate a 1,000-year-old egg, which was pretty disgusting, but it was funny. Oh my God, so y'all definitely need to check that out. We had a good time last night. I want to say thank you, Drone Worship, for having me. I mean, you're awesome. Hopefully I can get back on there again. It was my first live feed that I've ever been on. So I didn't, I was kind of nervous. I didn't talk a lot, unfortunately. Definitely check it out. Like I said, it was still fun. I'd like to do it again anytime, because that was fun. And next time I should be able to, shake the little nervousness and actually get more into talking and explaining stuff a little bit better than I did last night. I said I just had a lot of nerves going on. But anyways, I think that's going to be it. Check it out. Check out the video from last night on drone worship. Like, subscribe, tell everybody about the channel. Hopefully I'll have some more good stuff coming in. And I will see y'all guys later. Y'all have a great day.